Acid, bases and salts. Part 2. In class, one kid's laughing and another's crying, then the teacher walks in and just shouts, "Shut up," and suddenly they both chill out and settle down. That's basically how neutralization works. Here in chemistry, the reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water is neutralization reaction. After reaction, the acid is no longer acidic. The base is no longer basic. The products are salt plus water, which are usually neutral. Concept of pH scale. pH or power of hydrogen measure how acidic or basic a solution is on a scale from 0 to 14. When pH is 7 it is neutral. When pH is more than 7 it is alkaline. When pH is less than 7, it is acidic. Examples are water, which is neutral having pH 7. Lemon is acidic having pH of 3. Since pH is power of hydrogen, more hydrogen ions means the solution is acidic. Examples on the pH. The stomach acid is very acidic in the range of 0 to 2. Vinegar is a weak acid in the range of 3 to 6. Pure water is neutral and the pH is 7. Weak bases are baking soda and soap, which ranges from 8 to 11. Bleach is a strong base in the range of 12 to 14. Importance of pH in everyday life. In human body, blood pH should stay around 7.4. The stomach pH should be very acidic, around 1.5 to 2 for digestion process. Skin pH should be around 5.5 to prevent bacteria. In agriculture, most crops grow best around 6 to 7, which is slightly acidic. In swimming pools, ideal pH is around 7.2 to 7.6 for comfortable swimming and effective chlorine action. Let us look at the preparation and uses of some chemical compounds. 1. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, an alkali, is used in making soap. It is made by passing current through salt water or brine through a process called electrolysis, gives sodium hydroxide. This sodium hydroxide is used to make soap and detergents. It is also used in paper and textiles. Next is bleaching powder or calcium hypochlorite, which is used in cleaning bathrooms. It is made by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. Next is baking soda or sodium hydrogen carbonate. We can make it by dissolving washing soda in water and then bubble carbon dioxide through the solution. It is used in baking cake. Next is washing soda. It can be made from common salt. It is used in washing clothes and making glass. Next is plaster of Paris. It is made by heating gypsum. It is used in making bandages for broken bones. It is also used to make toys and models. Video by Anand Mohandas.